Hello everyone, welcome to my SolidWorks Simulation channel. Today you will learn how we can carry out symmetric model simulations and can compare the results of symmetric as well as full model simulation. And you will also learn how we can create configurations and how to copy a simulation study and linking a specific configurations to a copied study. So let's start our study now. So first of all, make a sketch of a center rectangle with the hole with these dimensions on the front. Now exit from sketch and make a simple extrude of the thickness 10 mm. So we have created a full model of a plate with center hole. In first step, we will make a full model, then execute its simulation study, then we'll evaluate its results. After that, we will make another configuration of a symmetric model. Then again, we will carry out simulations and will compare the results of both symmetric and asymmetric simulations. So just go to the simulation tab and select a new study, and from the general simulation type, select the static. You can give it a specific name to your study. That is the full model. Full model simulations. Okay. Now our first step is to assign the material, that is cast alloy steel, and apply a fixtures. Right click on the fixture and go to the fixed geometry. Select this face. This face is fixed for all degree of freedom. Okay. Now we will apply a load of 1 megapascal on this face in the extractions. Now go to the external loads and select the pressure. From here select the face where pressure is being applied and reverse the directions. Change the units to megapascal and enter the value, that is 1 megapascal. Now create a curvature based mesh. From the mesh parameters, select the curvature based mesh, leave other parameters default. So mesh is being generated now. Mesh has been created now. It's time to run your study and wait until your solution converges. So solution has been executed. We bring the front view. You can see the stress value is, this stress value is for 1 measure stress. We want to calculate the normal stress in extractions. Just go to the edit definitions and select the normal stress in extractions and change units to megapascal, and from the chart options select the floating. The units are in KSI. We want to check the stress values in the megapascal. Just select the megapascal. So you can see that the maximum normal stress in extraction is 4.355 megapascal. Please keep remember this value. We will compare this value with the results of symmetric simulations. Now go to the model and go to the configurations and make a new configuration with the name, that is symmetric. Okay. So just we will we will just keep 1/4 of this plate and will make cut other part. Just make a sketch like this and exit from sketch now. Just Go to the features and make extrude cut with through all boundary conditions. Okay. So in this way we have created a symmetric model of a plate with center hole. This is the default, that is the full model, and this is the symmetric one. Now go to the simulation, study that was the full model. Here on the part, click activate active SOLIDWORKS configurations. Now just copy this study and now give the name, that is the symmetric, and configuration to use is the symmetric. Okay. Then activate this configuration. You can see the errors in the fixture boundary condition because there is no physical boundary present here. Just delete this one, and again we will create a curvature based mesh. So mesh has been created now. Now it's time to apply a symmetric fixtures. You can see that our model is symmetric about this face and as well as about this face. So go to the fixtures, and from the fixed symmetry go to the advanced options, then select the symmetry. Select this face. You can see the preview of the symmetry, and similarly this face. So you can also preview of this symmetry. Okay. Pressure is has been applied from previous study. Just run your study now. Bring the front view. You can see the normal stress value for this symmetric model simulation is 4.366. That is nearly equal to the stress calculated in the full model. If we go to the full model and activate these configurations, you can see the normal stress value here is 4.355 megapascal, and if we click here and again activate these configurations for symmetric study, double click here, you can see the stress value is 4.366 megapascal. That is very close to the full model. So in this way we can save our time and efforts. If we have a model on which we can apply symmetry boundary conditions, we must apply the symmetry boundary conditions. I hope you enjoyed this video lecture. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.